Lisa and I had a big celebration on the horizon. We figured what better way to mark the occasion than embarking on an unforgettable adventure with great friends. We decided to gather this fantastic group of friends and head to the picturesque town of Kenilworth. Our plan was simple, camping under the stars in Kenilworth and then venturing into the amazing gems that surround it. So get ready as we ride through some of the local four-wheel drive trails while discovering hidden waterfalls and savouring the delights of the incredible local food and produce. Join us on the final 2 days of this adventure, filled with laughter, jokes, incredible moments, along with a few frustrating ones. So sit back and relax and enjoy the weekend as it unfolds in this epic adventure. After a relaxing morning around the campsite, we all packed up and headed into Kenilworth. Our first stop was the Kenilworth Bakery. People come from far and wide to take on the challenge of a 1 kilo cream donut, and if you're successful you get one of these silver plates that you sign and get immortalised on the wall. It's actually quite interesting having a read of all the different names and all the people who have taken on this challenge. Wonder how many people kept them down. With everyone fueled up and ready to go, we headed off to the trails. We're going right?
No, go straight ahead, but there's tracks to the right, but that looks like they're closed as well.
As from the previous video, a number of trails were still closed due to this event, which was quite frustrating. But Lisa was confident she'd get us through to where we needed to go.
Okay, we're going to be turning left here. It's going to look like we're driving through the campground, which is here.
So we're going left?
Yep. Apparently.
Sure?
Yep, left here, apparently to the map, sweetie. I'm following the map.
It looks like it goes to a dead end. It's a dead end, sweetheart. Don't turn in. Before our Outback trip earlier this year, we bought the Explorer Oz Traveller. This we believed was going to give us the confidence of offline map access. I have to say, it is the single worst application we've ever bought. A complete waste of money.
Okay, so the map is wrong. We'll try the next one.
That was $100 well spent.
Go back to go to the fire lookout to the left. We're just going to see if a fire trail is open. If you guys just want to stay here, pull off to the left. We'll go and see if a fire trail's open and see what it's like, and let you know on the blower.
Connected in.
Actually, there's a ranger behind us now.
Just make sure you don't go up Mount Allen, please.
Oh.
No worries, thank you.
Thanks for that. That was the one we were going to have a look at. So team will come back up and we'll go up Sunday Creek. Okay, so we'll just keep heading up Sunday Creek.
go, a Jeep or two and an Isuzu.
That's more like it.
I think you two have missed your call and your jingle riders. Did you see that bird, Lisa?
Yes, do you think that was the one from this morning, same at the same time?
Yep, exactly the same. So you're right, what you saw was in over there. With more friends due to arrive, we headed back to campsite to relax for the afternoon. And were greeted by the amazing sight of platypus. Hindsight's a great thing. I wish I'd grabbed the drone for these shots because the water's that clear you would have had a really good shot of them. But I was concerned that the drone noise would actually scare them away. That was pretty cool.
It's amazing, doesn't it?
Put the phone in here for
Yeah.
Once everyone had arrived, time to celebrate. The birthday cake came out. Believe it or not, that's an ice cream cake. Both of these cakes were amazing, and I'm not going to lie, I had way too much.
Not too dark.
Then Darren took it upon himself to entertain the kids and also share with us a rendition of his original jingle for our channel that he and Lisa had come up with earlier in the day.
No.
It's supposed to get clapped.
No, I don't think it's right. Try it again. It's different.
really not good at
I know what turns it on. The filthy Jeep adventure jingle.
There we go. The jingle turns it on, so let's hear it. Let's hear it.
It's only the new jingle.
And it's got to be done well, so come on. It's
Okay. Righto.
Want a beat? Do you want a beat?
you got to learn
No,
these
don't
words
need
because
a
this will
beat.
turn it on.
Yeah. Okay. When I finish this jingle for Matt and Lisa's YouTube channel, the light will come on. It's because I'm such a great singer. Who's looking for adventure? Adventure before dementia. Follow Matt and Lisa on Filthy Jeep Adventures.
Oh, it seems pleased.
Almost.
Sitting around a campfire like this is one of the best things in life.
No. Oh, I know. You're controlling it, mister.
He's got the camera.
He's controlling it.
And this is the camera.
It's and excuse me, it's Uncle Mister.
We were greeted by another stunning, calm, foggy morning for our last day. We all had a quick breakfast and then headed off for our last adventure of this trip. So we decided to head off and do the Booloumba Creek loop. And due to current road closures, this would see us finishing at the Booloumba Creek Falls. Even though this was rated as a high clearance track, it's definitely achievable in a soft roader.
4-wheel drive high clearance vehicles only. Not sure that you're going to make it through here, Matt.
I was actually going to say something, I took the high road and didn't say anything actually.
Okay, and no one still understand we need to come to a truce this morning.
Lisa just said this actually reminds us of our driveway at Tambourine.
Yeah, it does.
Our first stop was Booloumba Lookout. This gave you stunning panoramic views across the valley, and you could even see Booloumba Creek down below. Just be aware if you're heading up the mountain, it is very easy to miss.
sorted. Watch out, Pete.
Okay.
Lisa going out. Ready?
Did you get it?
We got it.
Did I ever tell you that I've got shoulder issues?
Oh, you can hold hands while you're going to the toilet.
Booloumba Creek Falls is a very short, easy walk down from the car park.
Don't get your head right out, that's it.
The wild termite.
Go on, head right out.
Wild termite.
Push it out, little wombat.
There's some spectacular scenery along the way and some great little features as well.
Okay.
Kiss it.
Kiss it.
That's a beauty.
After such a great weekend, everyone was in good spirits. And I have to say, Lisa thinks she's hilarious by jumping out trying to scare us.
Put that on video again. There's something wrong with the people with the name Lisa, I reckon.
Yeah.
It really is.
I love waterfalls and I completely lose track of all time when I'm there. It is one of my favourite things to try and capture. Hope you enjoy.